crazy is Chat GPT. If you guys are not too familiar with the capabilities of Chat GPT, and this is still the first version of it, it can do copywriting, coding, email marketing, it can write you blogs, ebooks, sales scripts, you name it, it can do it. You can even have a conversation. So this new AI that was released by openai.com is taking the world by storm. It is the fastest website ever to hit 1 million users in 5 freaking days. It took ChatGPT 5 days to reach 1 million users. It is the fastest growing website in history to reach 1 million users. Take that in. What if the AI itself built the marketing plan to reach 1 million users? Then it made it happen. And if you guys have been using ChatGPT a little bit, you have seen how powerful of a platform it is. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about ways that you can leverage ChatGPT to make money in 2023, 2024, and so on and so forth. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 strategies that I have been actively using and I've been successfully able to generate income using ChatGPT in the past 2 to 4 weeks, and you guys can do the same. Now this is an introductory video. I'm going to be sharing headlines and main points with you guys. And at the end of the video, you guys are going to vote in the comment section below, either for idea number 1, 2, 3, or 4. And the idea that gets the most votes, I will make a full-blown training video on how you can use ChatGPT to exploit this idea further and use ChatGPT in combination with the business model that I'm going to be sharing with you in order for you to make more money in 2023 and so on and so forth. Without any further ado, let's get to it. When you think about ChatGPT, you want to compare this first released version to the first iPhone ever released. Go back to the iPhone 1 and compare it to the iPhone 14. A huge difference, capability, functionality, graphics, everything. We're talking about the first version of ChatGPT in 10 years is going to be on a whole different level. Now the first thing that you can use ChatGPT for you to first build an audience and second make more money is to use it to write articles, blogs, and ebooks. There are plenty of websites like medium.com that would pay you based on the number of people reading your blogs and based on the number of blogs that you have. So if you have one blog and there's 100 people a month that read the blog, you'll get paid $5. Now, let's say you write one blog a week. You're capable of writing one blog a week with your busy work schedule and whatnot. Now you're making $20 a week at 100 person viewing your blog every month. And keep in mind that Medium will push the traffic to your blogs, so you don't really have to do any work yourself. You just need to have a good blog in place. Now let's say using ChatGPT you're able to make 100 blogs, 1,000 blogs. You're just multiplying your income. You post it on Medium, Medium pushes the traffic to your blog or article, and before you know it, you're piling up your profits without doing anything. You go on ChatGPT, you post a question, you can even ask ChatGPT, what are some great blog article topics that I can write about? What are some popular blog topics that a lot of people are asking about? And if you want to get a clearer answer, since ChatGPT right now might give you the message, I'm sorry, I'm not able to connect to the internet and find the information, you go to a website called Answer the Public, and it will give you type in a keyword and it will give you all the questions that people are asking. All you need to do is plug those questions into ChatGPT, get the answer, copy paste it into a blog on medium.com, repeat that process 100, 500 times, copy paste, very easy, takes freaking 1 minute, and before you know it, you're gonna start racking up your revenue on medium.com or any other blogging platform. That's number 1. Number 2, you can use the same strategy, but instead of posting the blogs on medium.com or on third-party websites that pay you per view, you can post them on your own article website. You can have a blogging website. Let's say you want to pick a topic like fitness, right? You make a blog about fitness and you use ChatGPT coupled with Answer the Public. You go on Answer the Public, you write weight loss, you write bodybuilding, powerlifting, and you get all the questions that people are asking. You take this question, you put it on ChatGPT, you get the answer, and then you start pushing blog after blog after blog after blog. What this will do is that it will help you rank up in the SEO. The more backlinks you have, the more blogs you have that are related to certain keywords on your website, on your blog website, you're gonna rank up higher in the SEO. So when somebody searches how to lose 20 pounds of fat in 3 months, your article is gonna pop up first. Now, even though on your personal website, you're gonna ask me, but Noah, I'm not getting paid on my personal website. But what you can do is you can add the Google advertising panel on the left, right, center. You can literally put 20 of those. And then every time somebody reads your article, you'll get paid per impression. How many, let's say you have 5 different Google advertising banners that you put there, you'll be paid per impression per Google banner that you have on your blog website. And you won't need to spend any money on getting traffic, because the fact that you have now 500 blogs, all with backlinks, index, all related to certain long tail keywords and short tail keywords, the SEO optimization will do its magic, and those articles and those blogs will be pushed up in the Google search ranking for people to access them immediately on top of the page, and you'll be making more money there. Now, the third strategy that you can use ChatGPT for is leverage it on platforms such as Quora, Reddit, and Ask.fm. Those platforms are platforms where people ask specific questions. On Reddit, people ask usually specific questions. How can I do this? How to avoid this? How to do that? Quora is the same thing. Ask.fm is the same thing. What you want to do is you want to go there and see popular questions that people are asking and start responding to them. You take the question, copy paste, put it on ChatGPT, get the answer, copy the answer, paste it on Ask.fm, on Quora, on Reddit. And what you want to do is you want to push out 100 answers a day. When you do that, at the end of it, you can either put a link to your own personal social media account, a link to your funnel if you're selling something, a link where you collect emails. Let's say you can even do that for lead generation for other companies. Let's say you're working with a company that sells cars, right? And you go on Reddit, Quora, and Ask.fm, and you see all the people asking questions related to how can I get a car within your area. And you take the questions, put them on ChatGPT, get an answer, and then you copy paste the answer on Quora, Ask.fm, and Reddit, and be like, here's a link to the website, go check out our inventory, or message me for more information. Before you know it, you are using those platforms to answer people's questions and leverage that to build yourself leads and potential sales in the future. Now, the fourth way for you that you can use ChatGPT to generate more income is my favorite personally. Now, this is for people who are a bit more entrepreneurial, for people who have a little bit more business experience and they want to put in a little bit of extra work, but this can produce results and income that are nothing compared to the first 3 ideas. But again, you guys will decide in the comment section which idea I'm gonna develop more in detail, and I will be sharing a long training video on it, okay? And by the way, make sure you subscribe and you hit that ring bell, because as soon as I release the new video, you guys wanna be notified about it so you do not miss out on this. The more you wait to start implementing those ideas, the more people are gonna be implementing them and the more competition you're gonna have and the harder it's gonna be to scale. So, subscribe, hit the ring bell, and put in the comment section below which idea you prefer. This idea, you want to go on ChatGPT and you want to ask, okay, give me a list of 50 small, specific business, 50 small pizza shops in this area, 50 small solar companies in that area, 20 small, I don't know, flower shops in that area. You want to get a bunch of small businesses, and ChatGPT will give you the names of all those businesses depending on the area that you list. Second, you ask ChatGPT, write me a cold email to a pizza shop that asks them if they want to get more customers, that I can help them with their marketing or with their sales or with their design or with whatever. And now you're gonna tell me, but I don't know how to do any of these things. It doesn't matter, because there's another website called Fiverr.com where you can hire freelancers. So you want to send an email to any of those businesses and be like, hey, we do marketing, sales, automation, web design, app development, XYZ. What are some problems that your business is facing that we can help you with? And you're going to ask ChatGPT to write that email for you. Now, you have the list of companies. You can easily find their emails on Google My Business. You can find the emails online. You put a list of emails, you have the email through ChatGPT, and you send them all an email. You can say, okay, schedule an appointment so we can talk more about it. You talk to the businesses, you see what issues they're having. Let's say a company is like, oh, we always get complaints about our website not being good enough, this and that. Like, no worries. Let me get back to you with a proposal next day. You go on Fiverr, you look for web designers that specialize in like food niche websites. You get somebody that can do it for $250. You talk to the business, you're like, look, we can build you a cutting edge website in a span of a week, and it will only charge you $750 for it. $750, that's a great price. That other company wanted to charge me $5,000. Yeah, no worries. They're trying to steal your money. We can do it for a lot cheaper. $750, 7 days, we'll have the website done for you. They pay you the $750, you go pay $250 for the freelancer that you're gonna be utilizing on Fiverr. They deliver the website, you deliver it to the company, everybody is a winner. When you use that strategy, you can talk to another company and they say, we need help with our copywriting or with our blogging or with our anything, email marketing. You go on ChatGPT and you ask ChatGPT, how can I improve XYZ? And if you don't find the answer there, you can't learn it through ChatGPT, you go on Fiverr and you find somebody that can do it for cheap, somebody that has a lot of good reviews, and before you know it, all you're doing is you are a middleman that is connecting businesses that have issues with people who have cheap solutions, and you're making the money in between. Those are the 4 strategies that I've been successfully using for the past 2 to 4 weeks to generate more income with ChatGPT that you can also use today. As a final reminder, in the comment section below, pick which idea you guys want me to develop more in detail, and I'm going to be creating a full training video on how you can use it and leverage it. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell button for you to get notified as soon as the video is up, so you can get the advantage of starting to work on this business idea early on before the competition builds up. That was it. I'm too excited for this, and you guys should be as excited for how far ChatGPT can help you take your business and your personal life and your personal brand and your income in 2023 and start leveraging right here and right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.